Today I will tell you very fastly about three important easy methods to improve your immunity and balance your immunity, both of it. See, the point number one will be I will summarize what I have told in my YouTube video, that is spirituality. Spirituality will immediately balance your immune system, that is clearing your mind of all the garbage. Okay, that require practice, that require installation of God, that require selflessness, that require uh, constant observation of your mind, and uh, positively energizing your mind, changing your way you think. Okay, point number two will be stopping garbage into your stomach. Okay, that is high quality foodstuffs. And in addition to that, you need to have a balanced diet. Okay, it's not just stopping junk foods and chemical foods and plastics and bakery items and milk, which are basically what we call pro-inflammatory items. It's about balance, that is high quality carbohydrates, that which you get from brown rice and millets rather than wheat and white rice. High quality protein, that you get from plant based proteins rather than animal proteins. High quality fats, which you get from these seeds, oil seeds, locally available seeds, groundnut oil, sesame oil, mustard oil, and these oils. You don't have to go for this olive. Rice bran is also a good oil. These kind of locally available oils are good enough. And high quality vitamins from fruits and vegetables. High quality minerals you can get from earthen pots, you can get from copper vessels and iron utensils. This and high quality biophenols, that is herbs from the spices. Now you will have to avoid tea, coffee, all these bakery items. These will leach away the minerals. So this is my second point. You need to have high quality diet. And third point will be, even in this high quality diet, third point is you need to balance the diet. And that is very surprising. Even if you take high quality carbohydrate, even in increase in carbohydrate and increase in protein amount, that will increase the acidic load into the kidneys, acidic load in the kidneys. And this acidic environment can in a long term reset the pH of the body towards a mild acidosis. That mild acidosis state is enough to destroy your immune system. And to destroy corona, you require a mild alkaline environment. So you will have to balance it like 25% carbohydrate, approximately 25% high quality proteins, and then 25% will be fruits and vegetables. Majority of them fresh fruits and vegetables, other than the tubers which are more of carbohydrate, not potato, not carrot and all. The other vegetables, the green leafy vegetables, 25% fruits, and a bit of nuts and oil and all you can take. But the thing you need to avoid is very important, is acidic foods in high quantity, especially in Punjab. Lot of milk products, these are acidic. Lot of white rice and bakery, these are all acidic. Okay, another important thing is pro-inflammatory food. Acidic foods are mostly pro-inflammatory food, and the basic foods, the alkaline foods, they are mostly anti-inflammatory. On a general way, there will be some overlap in between. When you have a balanced diet, the body will have more of alkalinity, and that will instantaneously improve your immunity. So it's not a single approach. I'll send more videos about more ideas. So I'll repeat what the three important methods. No garbage in your mind, replace it with spirituality. No garbage in your stomach, replace it with positivity. Balancing your environment using alkaline diet and herbal water and water from copper vessels and earthen pots. And this alkaline water and alkaline diet will improve. This is not a one step approach. I mean, you can only do one thing. One thing will not. If you take alkaline water, good fruits, and you are putting garbage in your mind, it is not going to help. It is still going to destroy your immune system. If you are doing spirituality and taking all those nonsense diet, still it is not going to help. So it's a combined approach, not just three. There will be many coming, upcoming videos will be there. So keep on watching my videos and share these videos. That will help me to motivate and tell you how to defeat corona. Because if you are dependent on government is still not having any vaccines, no medicines to cure this corona. But your immune system guarantee immune system is a guarantee that you will be saved, not only from corona and from cancers, autoimmune disease, all those nonsense diseases by which you are suffering. You can easily cure it. So this is the three methods to do, only three today. Then tomorrow we will discuss more, or after 3-4 days, whenever I do research and come back to you again, I'll send more videos. Keep sharing my videos so that somebody can benefit, because corona seems no end, nobody is going to stop it, only your immune system can stop it. Take care, have a good day.